This story is called The Magic Porridge Pot. Read. Once upon a time there was a little girl. She lived with her mother in a cottage in the forest. They were poor and didn't have enough to eat. One day, the little girl went into the forest to pick berries. Suddenly, an old woman appeared. "Please, can I have some few berries?" she asked the old woman. "I am very hungry." The little girl looked at the berries. "I don't have many, but you can have some," she said. "Thank you," said the old woman. She took the berries and ate them. "You were kind to me," said the old woman, "so now I will give something to you." She held out a cooking pot. "Cook, little pot, cook," she ordered. At once the pot began to shake and filled with porridge. When the pot was full, the old woman ordered "Stop, little pot, stop," and the pot stopped. Now you will have all the porridge you want," she said to the little girl. "But remember this," the old woman said. "To use the pot, say, 'Cook, little pot, cook.' When the pot is full, say, 'Stop, little pot, stop.'" When the old woman was gone, the little girl showed her mother the pot. It was empty. "There are berries." "Where are the berries?" her mother asked. The little girl smiled. "Cook, little pot, cook," said the little girl. The pot shook. It began to fill with porridge. When the porridge reached the top of the pot, the little girl said, "Stop, little pot, stop." The girl and her mother ate and ate until they were full. Whenever they felt hungry, the girl got out the cooking pot and ordered it to cook. And each time she did, they had plenty of fresh porridge. A few days later, the little girl was out in the forest picking berries. Her mother was feeling very hungry. "Cook, little pot, cook," she said. The pot shook. It began to fill with more porridge. The mother ate a bowl of porridge and then fell fast asleep. But the pot got fuller and fuller and fuller. No one had told it to stop. More and more porridge poured from the pot. Soon it filled with it filled whole, it soon it filled the whole cottage. The little girl came home. Stop, little pots, stop, she yelled. She could not believe how much porridge there was. The girl and her mother had to eat the porridge eat the porridge for a very long time. From that day, whenever the pot cooks, they always remember to ask it to stop, and it never cooks too much. The end. Oh, good job. I hope you enjoyed this story. Please subscribe for more videos, and I will come back with another book to read. Bye.